Hello everyone, I am Ahmad Farhana. Today we are going to learn about cell division. But before going in detail of about what is cell division, let's have a quick introduction of about cell division. Now what is cell division? Cell division is a process where a cell divide and form two cells of the same time. Actually a parent cell, you can see here, a parent cell divides any cell of the body. A parent cell divides and form two daughter cell of the same type, or more than two daughter cell of the same type is called as cell division. Now a question comes in mind that what is the use of cell division and why it is necessary. Actually there are so many examples such as growth of hair and nails, healing of wounds and growth of the body. We experience in our day-to-day life that our hairs are growing, our nails are growing. So how all these things happens? We experience also healing of wounds. Growth of hairs and nails occur due to the process of cell division. When we have wounds, we can see after 4 or 5 days the wounds heals itself. So how all these things happen? Actually because of cell division. Also an infant body grows up and developed into an adult one. It is also because of cell division. Now let's move with the detailed study of cell division and its type. There are two types of cell division. You can see here mitosis and meiosis. Now there are some differences also in mitosis and meiosis. What are these differences? Let's see. The first one is mitosis occur in somatic cell. Now what do you mean by somatic cell and what is the meaning of somatic cell? Somatic cell meaning the cells of our body from head to toe, that is cells of body of animals or human being from head to toe are known as somatic cell. So mitosis or mitotic division occur in somatic cell, and meiosis occur in germ cell. Now what is germ cell? Germ cell are sperm and ova. Sperms are formed in the testes of male reproductive system and female, and ova are formed in female reproductive system. Okay, but meiosis process does not occur in somatic cell and mitosis process does not occur in germ cell. Okay, now the next difference is after the division in mitosis, the parent cell divide and form two daughter cell. Only two daughter cell of the same type, but in meiosis 4 daughter cells are formed after division of the parent cell. Now the third one is in somatic cell there are 46 number of chromosome in a complete cell. That means 46 number of chromosome, that is the chromosome present in 23 pairs. There are 23 pairs of chromosome in a somatic cell, and after division these 23 pair of chromosome remain 23. That means in mitosis there is no reduction division, and in meiosis you can see the 23 pairs of chromosome which was present in germ cell. After the formation of sperm and ova and formation of daughter cell, the 23 pairs divide and form only 23 chromosome. That is meiosis is a reduction division. Now the fourth difference is diploid. Actually the chromosome which is present in pair, 23 pair which is present in somatic cell are in diploid condition. Now what do you mean by diploid? Diploid means the cell having 23 pairs of chromosome. That type of cell is called as diploid cell or in 2n condition, but the cell having only 23 pairs, 23 chromosome, that type of cell are called as haploid cell. So sperm and ova are haploid cell, and somatic cell, that is our body cells from head to toe, are known as diploid cell. Okay, now mitosis and meiosis, it is not possible to complete mitosis and meiosis in a one lecture. So today we are just going to complete mitosis. Now mitosis are of two types, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. These are two stages. Now what do you mean by karyokinesis? Actually karyokinesis means nuclear division. When a cell divides its nucleus. When nucleus divide in a cell, it means karyokinesis or nuclear division completed. And when the cell divides its cytoplasm or the cytoplasmic division completed, that means cytokinesis has completed. Now karyokinesis also has its 5 types. You can see here, the first one is early prophase, the second one is late prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Now let's move with all these. Now this is the stage of early prophase. Before going on, listen to one thing students very well or very clearly. This is the stage of early prophase. Before going on, listen to one thing which is very clear, that in this diagram I have drawn only the nucleus and the cytoplasmic part. I did not draw all the organelle which is present in the cell. Actually in cell division only the nucleus takes part and there is no any need to draw the cytoplasm, the organelle which is present in cytoplasm. So I have highlighted only the nuclear part. Now in early prophase you can see this cell having all its nuclei, all its organelles, its nucleus, its cytoplasm and its nuclear membrane. Now you can see here, this is an early prophase. Early prophase and late prophase actually a single stage, that is prophase, but due to these stages takes time. Actually prophase stage takes time, therefore it is divided into 2 stages, early prophase and late prophase. Now in early prophase you can see here, this is centriole. Actually it is centriole arises from centrosome, an organelle already present in the cytoplasm. When this cell enters into the early prophase stage, the centrosome splits up and convert into centriole. So this is centriole. It helps in the formation of spindle fiber. Also this is cell membrane, and this is chromosome, this is nucleus, and this is the nuclear membrane. All these components, that is chromosome, nuclear membrane and nucleolus, both these combine and form a complete nucleus. After that, this is the cytoplasm which is present out of the nucleus. Now in this stage you can see here, this is the initial stage, and you can see here in this stage the chromosome which is present is very thin and thread like, but in prophase stage these chromosomes are going in dehydration process. Now what do you mean by dehydration? Actually dehydration means loss of water from chromosome. The loss of water occur, due to which the chromosome become condensed and thick and going to visible. Also the chromosome become short. So all these things happens in early prophase stage. Now our next stage is late prophase. This is also a part of prophase stage. In this stage you can see this is cell membrane. Now this is centriole. In late prophase, the centriole which arises from the centrosome now releases an astral rays. These astral rays arise from the centriole, and these astral rays radiates spindle fiber. Now what do you mean by spindle fiber? Actually spindle fiber are a type of complex protein which helps to pull the chromosome. Now the spindle fiber is formed in late prophase. Also the centriole is going in opposite poles, that is they are going to take the polar position, but in this stage they did not take, they are going to take. And this is chromosome. This is centrosome of the chromosome. The central part of the chromosome is centromere. Now in late prophase the chromosome appear clearly, which was condensing or dehydrating in the early prophase. In late prophase they are condensed clearly, and is visible also. They become short, coil in early prophase, and after coiling they are visible clearly. And you can see here the nuclear membrane and nucleolus is going to disappear. You can see here, this is nucleolus and this is nuclear membrane. They are going to disappear in the late prophase. After that, the chromosome which is appearing clearly are visible with two sister chromatid. These are two sister chromatid which appeared clearly in late prophase. This is the third stage, that is beta phase. This is the middle stage. In this stage you can see the chromosomes are appeared clearly and they are pulled with the help of spindle fibers. Also these centriole reached at two opposite pole with their astral rays with the help of spindle fiber. Also the chromosome are arranged parallel at the equator of the cell. Now all these things happens in metaphase stage. After the metaphase stage, this is the anaphase stage. In this stage you can see there is no nuclear membrane, there is no nucleolus. Also in metaphase there the nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappeared clearly, and in anaphase nuclear membrane and nucleolus does not appear. Now in this stage you can see the chromosome which was combined with the or joined with the spindle fiber now separates and splits up and going to two opposite poles, and in the anaphase two cells are going to form. Now these are daughter chromosome. After the separation of chromosome, daughter chromosomes are formed and they are looking with their paired chromatids, sister chromatids actually, and these are centriole and this is spindle fiber. So all these things occur in anaphase, and the daughter chromosome which are separated are being pulled apart and pulled like bunch of bananas. So this occurs in anaphase stage. Now this is the fifth one stage, that is telophase. You can see here karyokinesis is completed. Karyokinesis means the nuclear division has completed, two daughter cell has formed, but still the cytoplasm is attached and a notch or a constriction, this is notch and like a constriction is formed between these two cells. Also the nuclear membrane which was completely disappeared in these previous stages now going to appear again. Also the nucleolus is going to appear again. Also these chromosome, the daughter chromosome which was formed in the anaphase stage now going to rehydrate. Now what is rehydrate or hydrate? Rehydrate means restoration of water. The dehydration process I have explained you that occur in early prophase. Now rehydrate again, that means the restoration of water is going on, due to which the chromosome is going to become very thin and invisible. Two cells are formed with having their centrioles. Now all these things completed in telophase stage. Now after that you can see the last stage which is cytokinesis. In cytokinesis means cytoplasmic division, and you can see here cytoplasmic division is occurring in this stage. Two cells completely form, the nuclear membrane and the nucleolus which was going to appear in telophase now appeared clearly with their centrioles, and the chromosome which was going to become rehydrate. In this stage they are rehydrated and look like thread, they are looking like thread and become very thin, also going to invisible. So processes occur in mitosis stage. So we have completed today mitosis in cell division. Hoping all of you understood it very clearly. So thank you student, goodbye, have a nice day.